Hi YouTubers, these are the Zippies 3S 2200 milliamp batteries. Here we're just going to replace some cells. As you can see, you got 3 cells, so it's 1, 2, 3, and we're going to replace some because as you can see, the one on the far ends are damaged on some of them. So we're going to swap some around to get the batteries working properly. On here you can see it's we've already tried dividing the cells up. And so what I'm going to do is unweld the black from here, and as we were saying before, we've just finished welding it on. We're going to put this protective plastic over it, just so there's no sparks when we're using it. And we're going to tape it back up, and I'm just going to quickly, that's a lipo test just there. We'll do a quick test so you can see, and as you can see, all the cells are perfectly working fine. And we'll quickly test, and number 2, number 3, that's very good. Now I'm just going to quickly just do it up so you can see. And this is the finished product of replacing the cells. And now we're actually going to test it, see if they are working. I'm going to plug it here to the quads. There you go. Everything seems to be fine. Loading.